what is the best site and page structure for a business that does residential and commercial roofing plus roof repair, maintenance, install, gutter maintenance, and siding? Again, I've covered that. I've covered that exact topic in the mastermind. I'm not kidding. Show you exactly how to do it. But on the short end of this, the short answer, because I don't have time to go through all this in 3 minutes. Okay, but that's a great question. But the short answer is you have the service pages, which would be commercial roofing and residential roofing. That's it. You have 2 service pages where in each of those service pages, you have through the proper page structure, headings and subheadings, you convey all of the services: roof repair, roof inspection, roof cleaning, roof replacement, roof installation, all of that stuff, right? On the residential. And in commercial, sometimes they have, other, they call it like flat roofing and rubber roofing and roof sealing and all that other kind of stuff. So there's different kinds of services, and some of them have overlap, but you have a residential roofing services page, commercial roofing services page, and then you have location pages. That's it. Your location pages is roofing contractor in the SEO title. And then as the H1, I would make it roof maintenance. Guys, go look and go to Google and search repairs Wikipedia. The first listing in Google is going to be repairs Wikipedia. And when you open that up, it's going to be a redirect page that redirects to maintenance. And when you open up maintenance, it says maintenance involves the functional check, servicing, inspection, repairing, and replacing of building components, parts, etc. I've almost memorized it. No kidding. Because repairs equals maintenance, but maintenance equals all of those other things: inspection, servicing, repair, replacement. So roof maintenance is your top level topic term. Roofing contractor is your top level category, Google business category. So you optimize location pages for roofing contractor plus city plus brand. And then your H1 is roof maintenance. So you got your top level topic term covered in the H1, which is the second most important place to place the keyword, or in this case, topic or category or entity, right? And then on that page is where you reference we provide the following roof repair or roofing services, right? That's a different variant. And then you have a link that goes to, and what I would do is a table. So a 2-column table that underneath an H2 heading, an H2 is a heading. So I would have a heading, an H2, that would say, we provide the following roofing services in, and restate the city and state of that location page. And then I would have H3s in the 2 columns, right? So it would be an H3 that would have residential roofing services, commercial roofing services. Those would be hyperlinks to their respective service pages. Then underneath that, I would have a bullet point that would be H3s. So in that same column, so residential services column, that would be an H3, residential services H3 link to that page, that service page. But then I would have bullet points that would be H3s or H4s, H4s, underneath that H3 under residential roofing services that would have roof repair, roof installation, roof inspection. Those don't have to be hyperlinks. But now there's a specific mention of those services on the location page. You understand? The location page, you don't need content, guys. You don't need to have roof repair on that location page and then 2 paragraphs of content, and in roof inspection and 2 paragraphs, and you don't need that. All of that is thoroughly explained on the service page. All you need is the reference on the location page. Keep the location page short, succinct, to satisfy the intent of the searcher. Who is the business? How do I contact them? And if I want more information about the products or services, where do I go? Well, think about the structure I just described. It's an H2 that says we provide the following roofing services in city, state. H3 links to residential services. H3 link to commercial services. Bullet points that reference the headings, the H2s of those service pages. Now you've covered everything. You don't need content on that page. You need headings and images, call to action, contact form. That's what you need on the location page, not content. Promise you guys. Those of you guys out there that have this 3,000 or 1,500 to 3,000 word articles on your location pages, and you got a location page for roof repair and roof installation, all of that, stop it. You're killing yourself. I promise you guys. I promise you, you're killing yourself. The performance of that site. Learn how to optimize how Google wants us to optimize. Be more efficient about it. And so again, guys, I'm telling you, I've already covered roofing in the mastermind. We have example audits, not examples. They're real live projects that I audited for members.